Here's the news of the day for May 13th of 2025.
Hereford County Hospital's upgraded Helipad, funded by the Help Appeal, enabled 171 air ambulance landings since 2020, improving emergency care access around the clock.
CRIAQ and ADM hosted the RDV Réseau Forum at YMX Mirabel to unite over 100 aerospace leaders and showcase Quebec's strengths in advanced air mobility and innovation.
Urban Airport and Drone Evolution unveiled the DBX-A1, a mobile UAV logistics and launch system enabling secure, rapid drone deployment for frontline defense in high-threat environments.
Urban V and Speedbird Aero have partnered to launch drone delivery pilot programs in Italy, combining vertiport infrastructure with automated flight tech to advance sustainable air mobility.
Joby Aviation flew 2 electric air taxis simultaneously for the first time, marking a key testing milestone as it prepares for passenger service in cities like New York, LA, and Dubai.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.